Hi everyone! Continued from last week, we will do another gift wrapping tutorial to incorporate the fresh flower to the design. Today's design is really gorgeous, using Japanese yuzen paper and fresh dogwood flower, which is my favorite. It's perfect for the Mother's Day gift wrapping too. You can use silk or paper flower instead of fresh flower if it's not available. This design is perfect for wrapping scarf, t-shirt, cardigan, and any other flat items. Since we are not using the box, we will protect the gift with tissue papers first. I'll be using 2 sheets of tissue papers to make it more durable. If you have thicker tissue paper, 1 might be just enough. Let's make it fancy by creating a pleats design for the tissue paper as well. Fold up the end a little, and fold 2 more times at a larger size. Turn the paper over, and unfold everything except the first fold. Bring the second crease toward yourself to the halfway point, and repeat the same step with the third crease. Make sure the folds are visually equal. Turn the paper over and secure the back of the design with clear tape. Place your gift on the paper. Position the pleats design where you want it to be on the gift. Then wrap the paper around the gift. Turn over and close the bottom and the top by folding to the back, which is now on the top. Once we protect the gift with tissue paper, we're going to wrap it with the main paper. To measure your paper, you will need enough to wrap around the gift, plus to create a diagonal pleats design for the width of the paper. If you are not sure how much paper you will need to create the pleats, have more than enough so you can always cut and adjust later. You will need enough to close the bottom, height of your gift, and enough to close the top for the height of the paper. With the paper upside down, bring one of the height ends toward yourself and fold the end diagonally. Cut the paper a little over from the fold. Doing this helps to create pleats easier. Continue to fold 2 more times at a larger size. Turn the paper over and unfold everything except the first crease. Bring the second crease toward yourself to the halfway point, just like how you did with the tissue paper. Repeat the same step with the third crease. Turn the paper over and place clear tape to secure the back of the design. We're gonna decorate the edge of the pleats with ribbon to make the design fancier. Cut enough length to decorate the pleats. You can use any ribbon you like. I'm using satin organza combination ribbon. Place a long strip of double-sided tape along the edge of the pleats. Make sure you place it a little in from the edge so you can pop up the edge of the pleats later. Position the ribbon strip, making sure it's showing on the front side beautifully. Cut the ends at the exact length as the paper. Place the gift on the paper, wrap the paper around the gift, and double check the width of the paper. If you have more than enough, you can cut the excess paper now. Place the gift toward the bottom of the paper height-wise, just enough to close the bottom. Also position the pleats a little toward the right side from the center widthwise. This is because we are going to insert the flower on the left side. Close the bottom and the top by folding the paper to the back of the package. Secure the ends with strips of clear tape. Enhance the pleats design by popping up the edges of the pleats. To do this, pinch the edge using your thumb and index finger. Then move fingers gently from left to right. Take your time. Last thing you want is to tear your paper and ruin the beautiful pleats design you just created. We're going to add an accent design to the package. Cut your accent paper enough to cover the end on the back of the package. Wrap it around the package tightly and close the end with double-sided tape. Make sure to align the end of the strip to the edge of the package. Wrap the ribbon around the package twice. Tie a single knot at the center. Continue to create a single bow. To show the ribbon design the most beautiful and elegant way, I recommend to use the narrower ribbon instead of the wider ones. Spread the ribbons for the best presentation. Then cut the tails. We're all done for wrapping the gift. Now, decorate the package with a fresh flower or anything you like. And done! Thank you for watching my tutorial. I upload videos weekly on gift wrapping and paper craft. Whether you are a beginner or a craft expert, you can learn inspirational ideas for your next creative project. Please subscribe, like, and comment below if you like this video. And don't forget to tap the bell right next to the subscribe button to get notifications for the new videos. Thanks again. See you in the next video.